ए दिल है मुश्किल, जितना सिंपल इस पिक्चर का टाइटल है उतनी ही ज़्यादा मुश्किलें इसकी रिलीज़ को लेके खड़ी हो गई। तो आज हम जनता से पूछने वाले हैं, अगर ये मूवी इंडिया में रिलीज़ होती है तो क्या वो इसे देखने जाएंगे? आइए जानते हैं जनता की राय। ए दिल है मुश्किल पे बहुत सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज़ हैं कि बहुत पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ कह रही हैं कि हम रिलीज़ नहीं होने देंगे मूवी को महाराष्ट्र में। अगर रिलीज़ होती है मूवी, क्या आप देखने जाओगे?
Yes, I'll prefer to go.
Yes, it's a nice movie, and I like Ranbir Kapoor as well as Fawad Khan because they are good actors. So obviously we will
ओह
go
माय
to
गॉड, इतना
watch the
लंबा एक
movie.
साथ बोल दिया। आप जाओगे मूवी देखने?
Yeah, I'll prefer to go because
prefer
they
to go.
have done a work for the movie, so I think we should go there.
See, I'm not a big Bollywood fan, but still I'm quite curious about the movie.
Go for
I
the
will.
movie.
Because there are already so many controversies between the peace in India and Pakistan, and then you're still entertaining somebody from Pakistan and India. Maybe I'll be against it because Pakistan has not actually kept a friendly relation with us.
Yeah, I would surely.
Yes.
Why?
Obviously.
Because it has Ranbir Kapoor. I think that explains everything.
कंट्रोवर्सी सराउंडिंग द मूवी इज बेसिकली कि पाकिस्तानी एक्टर्स को बैन करना चाहिए इंडिया से। आपको लगता है वो ठीक है?
See, if we have any record about their criminal record or
About the
something,
actors.
yeah, about the actors, then we can ban the things. If it's not related to that, then I think it's not make any sense to do this thing here.
आपको
Yeah,
क्या लगता
because
है?
they are actors and it's their duty to act, and they are good actors. They are giving us good movies. So
And there are your favorite actors.
Yes,
obviously.
Fawad Khan
So-
is my favorite actor, and he entertains us at the end, and he's a smart dashing, so I like him.
I think that they should give chance to Pakistani actors. It should not be like on the basis of the religion or caste that they should discriminate actors at least.
Actually, the war or whatever between India and
attacks that
Pakistan,
happened.
yeah, that is between. Yeah,
People,
the people,
like
the
it's
political
nothing.
party.
Yeah, it's nothing related to the movie. They're not supposed to ban the movie, right? It's between y'all. Keep it to y'all.
Actors like globally entertaining everyone.
Yeah.
So I don't think they should ban movies because there is a war going on.
I don't think so. According to me, it's totally wrong on moral parts. Not only political issues and all, but on moral roles, it's really wrong because you're giving people an opportunity first, and then you're telling them that no, sorry, we're sorry, you cannot work anymore over here.
We're fighting with them because they banned MS Dhoni and particular movies
Yes.
of our Indian movies.
It's on my ego.
Correct. It's simply an ego rivalry with the removing on Pakistani
Just
actors.
because-
So then that be unique and treat them in a better way. Show the world what we actually truly are and what
We are
actually
forgivers.
we're forgive them with democratic.
Be democratic.
Show them what we are.
में बहुत सारे स्टीमी सीन हैं रणबीर कपूर और ऐश्वर्या राय के बीच में, और अपेरेंटली ये सुना गया है कि बच्चन फैमिली बहुत खुश नहीं है उन सीन से। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ये ठीक है कि उन्होंने ऐसे स्टीमी सीन्स करे ऐश्वर्या राय ने?
I think it's their personal choice and their personal life. Who we are to comment on it? I don't think so. We should comment on it.
ये उनका profession है. If they want to do it, then they have to go for it.
That's quite stereotypical. That's what the Indian crowd thinks. That's like
If the woman's discretion, I suppose
Yes.
it's on her what she wants to behave like, or what. Even she has a mental state to think on how she should behave.
Her wish, because it's her life. After it's her career. She started her career after so many years. People are loving it anyways, and I think she should go on with her career. It doesn't matter. I don't think it really should make a difference because if they have a son which is already, and the entire family is in a business.
I think like it's her career, and basically at one point or the other, even like Amitabh has done many scenes of kissing and all. So
Yeah.
So and his
Even
wife is
after
fine
marriage.
with it. Even after marriage,
Yeah.
his wife is fine with it. So and obviously Aishwarya is not stupid. She must have had a talk with her family.
Just because she's the bahu,
Bahu.
of the Bachchan Khandan. Not family, it's called Khandan.
Family
According to Indian Sabhyata, bahus can't do that. No, you're a bahu, behave like a bahu.
मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है कि वो एक शायद स्क्रिप्ट होगा जिसकी वजह से ऐश्वर्या राय ने किया होगा या रणवीर कपूर ने किया होगा।
Do you think Salman Khan, who said he is okay with Pakistani, he supported Pakistani actors, basically supported Fawad Khan. Do you think because Aishwarya Rai was in A Dil Hai Mushkil, somewhere down the line he still has those feelings for Aishwarya?
Could be like he's not married yet.
He's not married yet. Yes.
So it could be anything, but yeah, it's fine actually because
Because he's the
he's
only
also
one who supported.
professional,
Yeah.
and he also understands that his job. So maybe it's because of that. Maybe it's because he still has feelings. Anyways, he's single, so
The logic is stupid. Yeah, it's just not possible. That was like years ago.
I don't think so.
I don't. So Salman Khan is a nice human being. I think so. I
So
don't
they
met him
feel-
personally, but as per the reviews or as per the news channels or as
He's a
far as my
big-hearted guy.
knowledge is concerned, yeah, he will not do this. I don't think so.
Every man's opinion. We are stating some other opinions. It is not because we like Aishwarya Rai or Ranbir Kapoor. It is
But
his own opinion.
Aishwarya Rai
Maybe
was his
ex-girlfriend. That's
That
fine.
doesn't really matter. It's like we have heard Salman Khan being really charitable person. So it's like it's his opinion regarding the Pakistani. That's it.
I don't think so. That shouldn't be the scene. He because he launched so many actors, Pakistani, Indian, many. So that must be the scene. You know, like he's an actor and he supports other actors. That must be the scene, I guess.
Could be a minor blast, and definitely it will be taken into consideration for controversies. Believe he respects all artists, and which is why he's done that. And plus, after Bajangi Bhaijaan, he's got a soft corner towards Pakistanis.
If Salman Khan watches a British movie, does he like Katrina Kaif still? You can say that.
Yeah, I am asking you. I
You
am
can't
asking
say
you.
that. There's no connection. According to me, it is not because kuch pyar baki hai. No, I don't think so. He has just supported as
Just
supported. Yeah, generally
Generally
not
supported
on
them.
purpose that oh my God, Aishwarya Rai, I have to support.
जनता की माने तो इस मूवी की मुश्किलें कुछ हद तक कम होती दिखाई दे रही हैं। आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है हमारी वीडियो पे नीचे कमेंट करके बताओ। इस वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। एंड फॉर अदर बॉलीवुड अपडेट्स कीप वॉचिंग मूवी टॉकीज।